Hey loves, welcome to my small balcony garden. As soon as you open the gate, you can see three columns: 1, 2, and 3. And you pan around to the right. There's a small corner which receives only early morning sun, and the plant you are seeing is mehendi plant or the henna plant. In Telugu, we call it as Gorintaku. Right beside it is a rose plant which I transplanted from ground into a very small container. And these are small ixora saplings which I transplanted from the ground. And then there is curry leaf which I pruned for the summers. And these are small empty plastic planters. This is an amla plant trying to give off new leaves, as you can see, for the summers. Now let's go and look closely at each row. The first plant is a holy basil or tulasi, a must in every Hindu household in India. Then there is bilvam, favorite of Lord Shiva. This is my beloved pomegranate plant, grown from a palm-sized sapling in about 10 months. Recently only it started sending out flowers and fruits for the first time, and I'm very eager to harvest them, which takes over 5 to 6 months apparently. Right beside we have jasmine, and then we have baby pomegranate which I propagated from the mother plant over there. Then there is aloe vera next to it, and more jasmines getting prepared for the flowering season in summer. Then there is hibiscus, single petal red variety. We have crocandra in orange, and the one behind is another jasmine variety, chameli. All of them are summer loving plants. And now let's go to the second row. We have roses, my favorite row of all. This is Jumelia, which bears white with pink edges blooms. Next two are the gladiators, having large pink blooms. I'll insert the pictures on the side for references. There are so many pigeons, as you can see in the background, waiting for rice, as my mom feeds them twice daily, in the afternoons and in the evenings. It's a good deed done by my mom. Now let's come back to our plants. Here we can see Kashmiri rose plant which has lovely scent, and beside are a variety of other hybrid roses in this row which I really love and take care of. And this last one is a red miniature rose having multiple small blooms called button roses. And look at this amazing white rose bloom here. They are all placed in the second row to avoid the harsh afternoon sun in Hyderabad, as temperatures happen to rise mid-February. And there are some coriander seeds which are already sprouting. Oh, I forgot to show you another rose plant behind. And did you observe, all of these planters are made up of terracotta. They add so much beauty and are also very sustainable. And let's go to the last row. We have some marigold saplings that I grew from seeds of old dried flowers. Then there is a bunch of trash having some use to my compost pile, and there is this small guava plant right from my compost pile. They are known as garden gifts. It's pretty much too young to produce flowers and fruits right now. Then there is this monster tomato plant bearing small fruits yet to mature. I'll harvest in few weeks from now. Next is a small tulasi plant which is used in teas making by my dad, and then there is insulin plant. Then there is a small mulberry plant which is already putting out flowers and fruits. Then there is some garden trash which we will ignore. Right above it is a banana plant. It is a small plant right now yet to grow. And from there, if you come to the last corner of this garden, you find marvam plant, then syngonium, a small ixora sapling which I propagated, another unknown plant which my dad consumes for diabetic control. Here are heliconias. How beautiful and lush is their foliage. And if you closely observe, there's a small avocado sapling I grew from the seed, and how beautiful it is. And right next to it is my small monstera deliciosa. I got it as a gift to myself on 26th birthday. This is how the small balcony tour ends, and this is how it looks overall. See you in the next video. Bye bye.